Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to share with you one of my favorite kitchen tools when I need to cook some ground beef, ground turkey, or when I need to cook and grind up my sausage, especially when I make my party dip that includes cooked ground sausage. So this little power tool right here is a game changer. It's a meat chopper tool and it's totally worth it. This has 5 beveled blades that smash and chop wonderfully. It breaks up the meat quickly and evenly, so there's no struggling with clumps in the pan. I put about a half a pound of sausage in here, and what I do is I just twist and smash. And it breaks up the sausage nice and evenly in the pan. Let it cook a little bit, and then I'll do a little bit more. So it's made of super durable nylon, so it won't scratch your nonstick cookware. I use it all the time for browning ground beef or when I make my spaghetti or mixing taco meat. But it's not just for meat. You can use this actually for mashing potatoes or blending fruits or veggies, even mixing up gelatin if you use that for like maybe a dessert. It also, this comes in different colors. I got the black, but you can get different colors to match maybe the style of your kitchen. I love it. The cleanup is easy. All you got to do is rinse it under water, maybe use some soap. I can throw it in the dishwasher. It works fine there. This has been a game changer for me when I'm making, because it's so hard to chop this stuff up sometimes. It works great. I use it all the time. We love it.